powered by Plascon. Today's handy heroes come from Motalas TimBuild in Lenasia, a paint expert store and member of Paint Club.
This is a family-owned and run hardware store. We've been here since 1971, and then we moved into Lenasia in 1980, and we've established the store and we're running for over 40 years. We ensure that we do go over and above just what the customer wants. So it's not just, I want to paint and this is what I'm doing. We'll offer you everything that's associated with your products. Being a Plascon expert store, we do give you Plascon expert advice. So you don't run home thinking, I forgot something. We make sure that you leave from here with everything that you need for your project.
What I love about the Plascon product is that the brand itself and the warranty that it carries. So it's convenient for customers, even for us.
Plascon Easy Living. That's our favorite because it's an exclusive brand to the Paint Expert Group. Easy Living offers you absolute quality at a very affordable price, and that is something that we pride ourselves in. We give you the best of quality at the best of prices. You go home, you are comfortable with what you've got from us, and that's what we always strive to give each and every customer that walks in here.
An advice on your prep. Each and every time when your walls are newly plastered, give it a bit of time. The drying time is much more important than painting itself. Everything needs time.
Today's Handy Heroes is powered by Plascon Wall and All. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon. Together, we've got